Most analysts spend years learning tools like SQL, Python, DBT, and even Tableau. They still get passed up for senior roles and even getting hired in the first place. Here's a hard truth. Technical skills are the floor, not the ceiling. And domain knowledge or industry knowledge is the real differentiator, especially in today's job market. And this is one that nobody really talks about. Why it's the real differentiator in today's market and how you can start to build this basically right after you watch this video. So the first thing we're going to talk about is what is domain knowledge? Domain knowledge is understanding the industry, the business model, and knowing the key levers well enough to be able to ask the right questions unprompted. So now I'm going to give you an example in the lens that I currently work in, which is marketing analytics. So the first layer is marketing industry knowledge. And you can take this and transfer this to anything like healthcare or product analytics or SaaS analytics or anything like that. So for marketing analytics, knowing the channel or the economics of the channels that exist out there or that exist in the specific company that you work in, not just the channels themselves. For example, customer acquisition costs. This is a metric that varies for every single type of company. In some companies, customer acquisition costs can be way higher just because it's harder to actually gain a customer. So for example, if you were to think of something like a B2B service-based business, is probably going to be a little bit more to acquire customers, whereas something direct to consumer, where it's probably more of a lower ticket item. You might have a lower cost, especially with social media and being able to put things online and getting content to bring in those leads for you. So knowing things, especially in marketing or any other one of these industries that you are trying to work in,